Good afternoon. How could you guys balance the opportunities and positives to face Minnesota away from home? And I do have a follow-up. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we know Minnesota's going to be a good team. They've done really well this year, and we kind of understand how they want to play. So we got to take how we've been playing the last couple of months and keep building on that. You know, we definitely come up a little bit short with some of these ties, but hopefully we can turn some of these ties into wins and head in the right direction, come towards, I think we have like 13 games left for playoffs. So we want to get a top seed, and they're in front of us, so it's a good opportunity to go there and take 3 points.
Go ahead, ask your follow-up, Paula.
Yes, I do have a follow-up. This is half of the season. What are the adjustments you have made as a player? What would you like to change for the rest of the calendar? Thank you so much.
I would say we had a whole new team coming in this year, so I think halfway through the year, I think we've definitely built a good culture here. I think the coaching staff has done a good job with creating good culture within the team, and I think going into the next half of the year, we have a good idea of what we want to do, and I think we're going to be able to hopefully push up in the standings and get a good seed and hopefully host a playoff game here at PayPal and then go from there.